Welcome back to the HQ, the new Spotify Camp Nou, looking ready for use. About a week ago, UEFA officials had come in, assessed it to determine its readiness to handle games. It looks like it will be in operation rather sooner than expected. A video snippet I chanced on testing the sounds at the new Spotify Camp Nou Stadium.
Yes, DJ.
Barcelona are looking forward to returning to this original home with all the positive energies which had engulfed the facility for years. It's going to be a memorable and renewed experience for locals and regular attenders of the Camp Nou of old before being earmarked for renovation. The team is already winning. The return to the Camp Nou will even be much booster for home games.